Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to control a Windows PC using a Mac by using a software called VNC. Basically, VNC is a desktop sharing system that uses the remote frame buffer protocol to remotely control another computer and transmits keyboard and mouse input from one computer to another. And we'll use tight VNC and we'll try to control a Windows from a Mac. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm on my Windows computer and I will search for tightvnc.com. From the left hand side I will go to download now, and then I will download the installer for Windows 64-bit. If you have a 34 or 32-bit computer, then you can just download for Windows 32-bit. I'll just click on the save option to save the program. It's very small in size, 2.4 megabytes. Now I'll go to the downloads directory and I will double click on that file. So this kind of a window appears. Click on next. Click on I accept the terms. Click on next. I will select typical and I will click on next. Then click on install. Now it will take some time to install. Now enter a password which we have to use while connecting it to the Mac. So I'll put in one password and then retype the password once again to confirm the password. Now we have to set an administrative password which we have to use if we want to edit any setting in this VNC. I'll click on OK and click on finish. Next, over here you can see the tight VNC server, and you can see one address 192.168.0.102. You can right click, go to configuration, and you can change the settings in the VNC. Now I will go to my Mac and then search for screen sharing. Then give that address that we just saw on our PC, that is 192.168.0.102. Now it may be different on your computer, so first see what number it's giving. Click on connect and then put that password that we just set. Then click on sign in and see. Now you can control your PC directly from your Mac. And that's it. That's how we do it. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Also share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.